Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. Today we're going to show you how to tag people on an Instagram post. It's quick and easy. Now, let's get started. Method 1. Tagging people in a new Instagram post. Step 1. Open your Instagram account and make sure you're logged in. Step 2. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create a new post by selecting a photo or video. Step 3. Tap Next to move forward with your post. Step 4. Look for the Tag People option at the bottom and select it. Step 5. Tap anywhere on the photo or video where you want to place the tag. Step 6. Search for the person you want to tag by typing their username. Step 7. Select their username from the list to confirm the tag. Step 8. Tap the check mark to finalize the tagging. Step 9. Hit Share to post it with the tags. Method 2. Tagging people in an existing Instagram post. Step 1. Go to your Instagram profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Find the post you want to edit and open it. Step 3. Tap the 3 horizontal dots at the top of the post. Step 4. Select Edit from the menu that appears. Step 5. Choose Tag People to start adding tags. Step 6. Tap on the photo where you want to place the new tag. Step 7. Search for the person's username you want to tag. Step 8. Select their name to add the tag. Step 9. Tap the check mark to save your changes. Step 10. Tap the check mark once more to confirm and exit. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.